As you already know, the Marshall Islands are made up of many different islands, and one of those islands is Namo Atoll. But Namo itself consists of four different islands. You have Namo, Majkin, Lan, and Mai. And the island I went to was Majkin. Right now, that is the only island out of the four that has an airport on it. So that was the only one I was able to visit. But it was an awesome, incredible experience, and I'm really excited to share with you some videos from that trip.
In my wrestling and in my doubts, in my failures, you won't walk out. Your great love will lead me through. You are the peace in my troubled sea. Whoa. You are the peace in my troubled sea. In the silence, you won't let go. In the questions, your truth will hold. Your great love will lead me through. You are the peace in my troubled sea. Whoa, you are the peace in my troubled sea. My lighthouse, shining in the darkness, I will follow you. Oh, my lighthouse, I will trust the promise.
So I'm with some of my new friends right now. These are some of my Marshallese friends. They're very welcoming. So, say hi. Boba, hi. Yeah, there you go. There you go. So, these are them. Okay, now we'll take a picture.
I won't fear what tomorrow brings. With each morning I'll rise and sing. My God's love will lead me through. You are the peace in my troubled sea. Whoa, you are the peace in my troubled sea.
Dạ po din. Nagkikipeo.
Miss.
Ay. There. Miss.
Wow.
Naman.
Coconut crab. Preparing the coconut crab.
Coconut crab. Yummy, yummy. Okay, this is Fred. This is his first time opening the coconut crab.
Coconut crab. Fresh coconut crab. I'm nervous. It's really hot. It's very kind of chewy. Has a lot of flavor to it. Look good and though. Very, very good. I like it. If you've ever seen somebody open up a coconut, they make it look really easy. But honestly, it is not as easy as it looks.
Alright,
Ready?
so when you hold it, you hold this like this,
Alright.
okay? And then make sure when you hit, make sure you hit just right here. Don't go all the way here because you're gonna break the coconut, okay?
Not the middle.
Yeah, not the middle, just
More in the top.
more the top.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah.
Go like this, and then push.
Wow. So perfect.
And then you go like this, and oh, you can go like this. See?
Yes.
Just make sure you don't break this. Just slowly, because this one is not really strong.
Mm.
Just slowly open it. Slowly open it. Okay? Slowly. Don't make it perfect. Yeah? Yes? Oh, you break it!
I broke it already.
Yes.
So I went too far in.
Yeah. See the step?
Jesse is showing us how to climb the coconut tree. He's like a monkey. Turn it and then pull.
Yeah.
Easy. How hard can this be?
So you see the step, you just step on that. You step on the step. Make sure don't fall. You see the one holding on it, you step on it.
That's it. It's coming. Okay.
Relax. Take a deep breath. Take one step at a time.
One step at a time. Okay.
Now you hold the green one.
Twist and turn.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. How do you get down?
Same thing. You step on the.
This tree is a lot higher than it looks. Woo. Oh.
So Mr. Brett, you need to go back to California. How am I to climb the coconut?
But the coconut trees there are too high. They're nice and small here.
So maybe it'll take like 3 years to learn how to climb the coconut.
Yeah, that should be enough time. And to have a conversation in Marshallese.
You want to let it go, mate? Hey, we chala taling ni. Hey, change kun chala taling ni. Hey, we just kadak taling ni.
A lot of Marshallese women use pandanus leaves to create mats and other items that they need. They take the leaves and they flatten them out and they weave them together. It's pretty cool watching it take place.
Okay, labilaw eh.
Labilawe. Let's say myself. Labilawe. Not lebilawe. Lebilawe.
Lee, you talk about grow.
Yeah, exactly. 1 row kilo. Man, this mat's gonna be so flat. Who's never belly? Rebelling. There we go. One more. Down here. Oh, right here. Come on. 1 row kilo. Good. Day 3 dinner. We are treated with rice and sashimi. It is very, very good. What is So Bija and I are out swimming. We are on the edge of the island and we're just swimming in the ocean. So there's Bija right there. Right there. He's messing around with his camera, I think. Yeah. So here we are, the other end of the island. We just came from there. And this is the next island. I'm not sure you can tell, but there's smoke everywhere. This is work day. All the islanders are clearing out the airport, cleaning it up. So I'm assuming they're burning all the grass. So it's pretty cool. And it smells very interesting. Oh, here's the island again. Alright, Bija, what do you have to say? Your last day in Namo.
Thank you, Namo.
In case you haven't noticed, it was Bija, Jesse, who was in the video, and I want to give a special thanks to him for allowing me to come with him to his beautiful island. It was an adventure that I will never forget. And thank you for sticking around and watching this video, and I will see you next month.